right, good evening everyone. Happy open house to you. I'm Kelly Gabbers, the principal at FW Gross.
And I'm the assistant principal, Mandy Pritchard.
And so we are so glad you are here. We just want to take a few minutes tonight to let you know a few things about our campus. We are a Title I school, which means that we get funds from the state for being a Title I campus. And so all 17 elementary schools across VISD are Title I. And with that, it means that we have over 40% of our school population qualifies for free and reduced lunch. I will tell you that our numbers this year are not as high, and so please take advantage of filling out those forms for the free and reduced lunch, because you could find yourself saving some extra money in your pocket if you qualify. Also, with being a Title I school, we get additional funds for personnel, and so we were able to finance the parent liaison position, the instructional coaches. Mr. Jesse, our social worker, is in there, as well as our 3-hour teacher. And so with this, we hope to increase student achievement, and so that is our main goal here as far as using our Title I funds and closing those gaps in the areas of math, science, reading, writing, and social studies. And so every year we will have a little meeting such as this, just to let you know what options and things that we have going on of how you can become involved here on our campus.
Okay, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how you can get involved here at FW Gross Elementary. One way is quick and easy. Ask your child's teacher, what do they need help with? Come up and help them out in the classroom, or volunteer around the campus, whatever there might be the needs. If you're going to volunteer, be sure you fill out a volunteer form through the front office, and then we can get you started on your way. Another way is we will have a fall festival coming up in October, and you can volunteer to help out with that. We have a program called Watchdogs. That's for you dads. It stands for Dads of Great Students. For students who are needing that male figure in their life, it's a great way for you to come up and talk with the kids and get involved and help them out, and just walk around the campus and pop into classrooms where they might need help. So that's for you. We will have a reading and math night where teachers will have different reading activities and different math activities going on in their classrooms, and you can come up and learn with your child and help participate and kind of see what they're learning here at school, and that way you can help them at home. We also have a Thanksgiving luncheon coming up that you can come up and eat lunch with your children. We're going to have muffins with mom and donuts for dads. Be sure you like us on our Facebook page. We send out lots of information of what's going on here at campus. We post fun pictures of your children, just so you can see what's going on here at school and stay involved. Another easy way is to come read a book to your child's classroom. If any classroom would be great, but that's an easy way to get involved. We send out a newsletter each month that has things that's coming up and what you can do at home to help your child, different tips and ideas that we would suggest for you to help. Other than that, we'd love to see you around campus and get involved.
Excellent, and that's right. And it's important as a school and with our families, we want to build that partnership. And so one of the things that we're going to also be doing is student-led conferences. And so that's where your child actually will lead the conference. And so they'll be able to show you where they are academically and set some goals that they have. And so it's important for you to know and be participating in that as well. We also will have some planning sessions throughout the year of how we can improve this year as well as next year. And so it's just important to get involved, stay current, know everything that we have going on. I also want to take this time just to remind you about, we want our students to be hot. We want them to be here and on time every day. The tardy bell rings at 7:45, and so students who are here and on time for the month, they do get rewarded with a hot party. But it's important to be here and on time because it's setting the stage for the day. And so the students, when they come in, they already have an assignment on their desk ready to go. We do our formative loop, and so we just do not want anybody to get behind. And if you're running late, like I do sometimes, and I'm just in a hurry, it kind of throws my whole day off. And so just please help us get your children here and on time every day. All right, I believe that is all of our announcements, and we're so glad you're here. Make sure you stop by the cafeteria for nachos. And teachers, if you at this time will click the link for the nurse has a quick message. All right, guys, thanks again for being here. Have a good night.